Hey guys, it's Alyssa here, and I'm really excited to show you how I pack to go home for the holidays. But get this, we actually shot this in virtual reality, so if you really want to feel like you're here, just hit the icon in the play bar, pop this headset on, and boom, it's like you're in my room. 3D realness. I love to travel, and I'm down to check out a new place just about every weekend, but it's not all the time I get to go home and see my family and hang with my parents, so I have a few essentials I like to bring to make sure I'm warm and cozy on the plane. First and foremost, this is an essential. It's a giant blanket scarf. Bundle up like this and you're good to go. I even top it off with a cute little sleep mask to just go full nap mode. Good night, everyone. I'll catch you in Florida. There are those days when you just wake up and you don't even know what you want to wear. I like to start packing with a few basic essentials. These are my personal favorites right now. They're just a nice, classic, dark wash jean, and then you just pair those with, voila, the classic white t-shirt. The final basic item that I like to bring is a classic black leather jacket. I tend to be really vintage inspired, but it also feels really modern at the same time. It's just like a classic outfit, no matter the decade. So even though I'm from Florida where it's literally warm all year round, I still like to bring some cozy essentials home to lounge around in, and that usually starts with the comfiest pants that I own, which are these cashmere sweatpants. This is a life of luxury, people. Honestly, I don't even know why I'm packing the rest of this because I'm probably gonna wear these the entire time. And some comfy sweaters, some comfy knits. It's pumpkin spice season. Just get cuddly, get cozy. You'll probably find me in one of these cozy festive sweaters, just baking cookies, sitting by the Christmas tree, taking selfies. And you know, if there happens to be an impromptu family photo shoot, you'll still look like cute and festive. You also have to bring some pajamas home for the holidays. Step it up a notch with some silky PJs. We've got this little lip print, and you're probably gonna stay in these literally all day long until someone forces you to change for dinner. I am notoriously an overpacker, but I try to avoid that by packing some really versatile fashion pieces. This outfit does itself. This one actually has a matching skirt, or you can mix it up, wear the shirt open over the t-shirt. I love this little t-shirt polo dress because it's casual, but I could wear this to like the grocery store with my mom. And then you can never have too many layerable items like a fun turtleneck that can be thrown on. You don't really get to wear corduroy any other time of year, so I love to pack a classic pair of corduroys. I really love these elastic waist pants because there's gonna be a lot of eating happening, and you know, who needs restrictive clothing over the holidays? I happen to love these white combat boots because they're super comfy. I also love a more festive heel. I'm gonna bring them home where I can wear them on the couch when I count down to New Year's. I have two more trusty pairs, a classic white sneaker. Also, I've got some sparkly booties, and these are good for going out with friends, maybe a little nightlife. There's no nightlife in Florida, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm gonna see some people, do some things, and these will be good for that. I'm clearly a bit of a shoe overpacker. What do you guys overpack the most? Let me know in the comments below. Let's not forget accessories. And lucky me, I get to hit the beach. So I'm gonna bring one bathing suit. There could be a hot tub. There could be like a slip and slide. I love fanny packs. Boop. Ultimate Florida outfit right here. New Year's. I think I'm gonna go more of the metallic route this New Year's. This dress is amazing. I've been waiting for an occasion to wear this, so it's definitely gonna come home with me for that big New Year's Eve night. In case I don't wanna do the dress, I have this little metallic mini or a classic little slip skirt. These are really easy pieces to kind of just throw on and feel dressed up because they're shiny and fun. I can't thank you guys enough for helping me through this whole packing situation, but before we go, I wanna leave you with 3 solid tips for packing your suitcase. Tip number 1, definitely keep it cozy. Tip number 2, don't forget those festive pieces. Tip number 3, for everything else, just make sure you keep it versatile. And just a hot tip, since now I have to figure out how to get all of this into a suitcase, I tend to roll things in my suitcase instead of just pile them in. I gotta go figure the situation out, but I'll see you next time, and happy holidays. Thank you guys so much for helping me pack. To watch more videos, click here, and to subscribe to Refinery29, click here. Now, I got a plane to catch, so gotta go.